Are you someone that thinks adding all those close-up pore details is how you're going to make a good character? Well, if I got some news for you, you're wrong. But I'm going to show you how to make those unlimited details anyway. First, we're going to come to our normal channel, then we're going to set detail normals. We're going to come to our channel slot, and we're going to plug a cool detail normal map in, like this one. Then we're going to go to our tiling, and we're going to tile across our surface, and bam, we got this cool tiling detail normal. I like to use this technique on anything I possibly can. Look at these pores, look at these threads, look at all the unlimited power we have.